Each year at the Chelsea Flower Show we introduce a whole range of new plants to the gardening public, but that's after we've checked them fairly carefully in the previous 12 months, and we continue to grow them. For example, over here we've got one of the previous Chelsea Plant of the Year winners, Viburnum Kilimanjaro Sunrise, but of course we just show it in flower and people don't see how attractive it is with the berries when you get into August and early September. And this plant, the Chinese privet, fantastic patio container plant, really good colour, very easy to grow, and I could see this being used as a low fence very attractively. Low down we've got the Helianthus, Sunbelievable. I'll give you a quick sneaky preview of this Helichrysum. That hasn't been on show yet. We're trialling that, ready for next year. And then up here, the new French Marigold that we had on display in May for 2018, and it's called Fireball. The hardy Gerbera, the new variety launched was Gerbera Sweet Surprise Sunset. And then we had the patio peppers, this one Lemon Dream and Tangerine Dream. Alongside it was this really strange ruffled leaved tomato, Patio Plum, and of course the star of Chelsea Flower Show last May, the plant winner, Hydrangea Runaway Bride. And you can see that even the rooted cuttings flower. I mean, this is an amazing, very floriferous new introduction. And then over here, the new pink black-eyed Susan. You know, you're probably used to the yellows and the orange, but this one is called Rose Sensation, and it's about 5 or 6 feet high, and it's very easy to deadhead. Once the flowers go paper white, they just pull off. And then down here, one of the new fragrant basket begonias from the Curly family, absolutely fantastic. And of course if you grow those in baskets, they're up at head height, and in the afternoon, warm afternoons, the fragrance, rose-like, is really quite remarkable. Another one of the surprise series of Gerbera, and the new Busy Lizzie Amara, which as far as I'm concerned has been completely resistant to downy mildew. I'm very excited about the introduction of this Dianthus, again not been to Chelsea, this is one for 2019, and the beauty of it, Dianthus, one of the pinks, but has a stem long enough to cut, and there's 3 of them that are very beautifully fragrant. I mean, to have spray carnations with fragrance, I think is something really to look forward to. My apologies for including the hosta Summon Substance. This is an old Chelsea standard. It's been to the show several years, and boy, that's a tough, easy to grow variety. But finally, to close, we have the Sandavilla Cream on Pink. They're great plants, and if you grow them up on canes and have a sunroom or a greenhouse which is frost free, then they'll flower pretty well year round. We're on the hunt for more novelties, and so with luck next year we'll have another array like this.